Here's the question I got asked. Can I change my Google password without knowing my current Google password as long as I am logged into my Google account? Now, I'm going to demonstrate this right here, right now. I'm logged into my Google account. I'm in burrisconsulting@gmail.com. It's the account I use for testing. And I'm also, just in total clarity, I have a recovery password. I have a recovery email address. I have a recovery phone number. I've saved my recovery backup codes. And I also have this account running in the Gmail app on my iPhone. So understand that I have all of the systems in place to help me recover my account when I have a problem. But I want to change the password without knowing the current password. Let me show you what's going to happen. I'm going to come over here to where the B is, manage your Google account. As I'm managing my Google account, come down here to security. Under security, come down here to password. Under password, first thing it wants to know is what is my password. And notice I'm using LastPass. So I also have that set up to protect me as well, so I don't have to forget. So I never forget my passwords to any of my account. But the very first thing it wants to know is, what's your password? Let's not put that in there. Let's assume I don't have it. What's next? It needs to know that password. So the only option I have is I forgot my password. Now, if I click on forgot password, here's the options. Number one, I can enter my password. Try to remember what it is. I can get a verification code sent to my backup email address, or I have another option. Let's see what the other options are. I could tap yes on my phone or tablet if I'm logged into the app on here. So I would click on that, and then I would go click yes on in the Gmail app on my mobile device. I can enter one of the 8-digit backup codes that I have saved already, or I try another way. Let's see what another way is. Again, this is all because I have it set up. Recovery email, recovery phone number, save the backup codes, and I'm running the Google account in the Gmail app on my mobile device. I could get a 2-step recovery sent to this phone number or this phone number. Now let's look and see what the last option is. Wait 72 hours. In 3 days, Google is going to send a code, a sign-in link to this Gmail account. Now, because I'm logged in on the mobile app, I'll get that. But if you're not logged into the mobile app, you can't do this. Bottom line, if you want to change your Google password, you need to know the current password, or you'll go through those steps in order to recover your account because you forgot password. And the only reason I'm able to go through those steps and choose one of those options is because I have turned on a recovery phone number, a recovery email address. I have saved the backup codes and experimented with one of them. And again, I have this account running in the Gmail app on my cell phone. Otherwise, you are not getting back into that account and you are not changing the password. I'm Teddy. I'm a Google Workspace and Gmail guy. Protect your accounts, manage your accounts so that you don't run into this situation.